Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Easy English. Today I am going to write an essay on my favorite food. Vegetables are my favorite food. There is a variety of vegetables in our daily life. Vegetables contain vitamins. They also help us to stay away from diseases. I eat vegetables daily. My favorite vegetables are potato, cauliflower, peas, carrot, and radish. Vegetables are available all the year. Vegetables keep me strong and healthy. Without vegetables, my diet is incomplete. Everyone should eat vegetables in his daily life. Thank you.